Today I'll be giving you one of the best strategies to use to win on Betway, which is the over 1.5, and I'll also be showing you how to analyze using the strategy. So we'll be referring to the Premier League, which is the league that produces more goals for the over 1.5 strategy. So today we'll be making an example with the Liverpool vs Brighton. So checking the table, we can see that Liverpool is at the top, which is number 1, and Brighton is also in the top 10, which is number 8. So we're going to check the stats of the team, how they've played. If you can see, most of the matches of which the both teams were playing, they were always scoring over 1.5 goals, over 2 goals. You can see that Liverpool won 3 times, they drew 1 time, and Brighton won 1 time. If you check most of the matches of which the 2 games have been playing, you can also see that they are over 1.5 and sometimes over 2.5 if you want to risk more, because sometimes at over 2.5 has more odds than the 3.5. But I always say, to lower your risk, you should use the strategy of over 1.5, because it's one of the best strategy and the easiest strategy to use to win on Betway. Because if you check most of the recent matches, they've been winning. And you can also see it's possible to make more money on Betway, but to lower your risk and win more, you have to use the strategies of which I'm giving to you guys. You can see that most of the people have been winning just using 500, 100 rand and winning over 10,000 and stuff. So for you to learn how to make more money, you can go throughout my channel and check some other videos where I share the best strategies. See you in the next video.